What are some of your favorite sexual wellness brands? Hi everyone, this is Dr. Martha Tarali, relationship counselor and clinical sexologist. Subscribe below so you never miss a thing. So sexual wellness is a big umbrella, but immediately you think of sex toys. So let me just talk about the sex toy brands that I like. So sex toys has reached a certain level where the quality is really good. You want to look out for medical grade silicone toys if they are using silicone. You want to look for medical grade ones, and the ones worldwide that are just like really good, Lelo, Fun Factory, Womanizer, 50 Shades of Grey, and then there's also Lovense. I really like Lovense a lot. They are Bluetooth and internet compatible, just as Womanizer and Satisfier. However, Lovense is just very easy to use in terms of the app. And so I have a preference for Lovense for sure. So do check out all my other videos where I talk about all the different sex toys. And then when it comes to lubricants, I really like Sliquid. I like Intimate Earth. They are organic and much more friendly to the body. I like Pjur. I like Haru Nude, I like Sutil. So these are the more natural lubricants that I do recommend to my clients with cancer. Of course, they have different ones, so you really want to ask questions around what is the most body safe. And also when it comes to my clients trying to conceive, fertility friendly lubricants are also very important. In terms of other kinds of brands, there's Aura that I'm a sexpert of. They produce meditations, mindfulness, and even sexuality related audios. So I want to recommend Aura because I'm on it. I want to recommend TwoPlus because they have products that support people with their fertility. I like the brand and what they stand for, and the whole umbrella of all the products that have been carefully curated and produced. And of course, I like MakeLoveNotPorn. They allow people to put up explicit content of themselves and make money off it, and you get to witness the modeling of what it's like to be in a loving consensual relationship, which is a different kind of modeling from traditional porn. So yeah, these are some of the brands that I have. I guess I have grouped them into the category of sex toys, sexual aids, and sexual wellness brands in general. So what about you? What are some of the brands that you like? Maybe I have missed out some of them. So do comment below, and do go to my website, eroscoaching.com. That's eroscoaching.com. If you're not a member, subscribe to my mailing list so you get access to the latest news that I have. So, ciao.